Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to appreciate those of my subscribers that kept on coming to watch me, to support your girl. I will say God bless you and may God support you in all that you do in Jesus' name. And if you are watching me and you are yet to subscribe, after watching, please kindly click on the subscribe button. It's totally free. You don't have to pay anything. Yes, let's crack on. In today's video, I would like to show us how I made my delicious jollof rice at home. So I will be showing us the ingredients one after the other. You don't want to miss any part of it. Yes, so this is my bell pepper, red bell pepper. It's called tatashe in Nigeria. I like to use a lot of them because I don't want too much tomatoes in my jollof rice because of the sour taste that tomato gives to the jollof rice. This is a tip, so I'll be needing about 5 of them. They are big ones, as you can see. We'll also be using my habanero pepper. It's called atarodo in Nigeria. Bell pepper. Habanero pepper, sorry guys, habanero pepper. So I'm using 5 of them today. Why I'm using 5 is I would like to use 2 to boil my meat and the other 3 for my jollof rice sauce. You don't want your jollof rice to be too pepperish, and this one is actually not all that chili. It's not too spicy. I have my onions. This is my onions that I'm using today. I have 2 types of onions here, the red one and the white onions. Why I'm using the 2 colors is just to add flavor to my food. That's why I'm going to be using the 2 of them. I have here my ginger and my garlic. Yeah, I'll be needing some for my meat, for my chicken today, and some of them for the sauce. Thank you. My Italian tomato puree. It doesn't have to be Italian tomato puree. You can just use any puree. Any puree is okay. Whether the Rica puree, whatever puree, any puree is good. It's good to go. This is my tomatoes of today. I'm just going to be needing only one thing because I don't want sour taste in my food. Yes. The main chicken, the chicken for today, yes, that I'll be using. I'll be boiling them very soon. And I have my Maggi, no Maggi to taste. Yeah. I'll be needing some bay leaves. Yeah, this is bay leaves. It's called bay leaf. Bay leaf. I'll be using about 2 or 3 of them. Yeah. And this is my thyme for today. Thyme. I also have my paprika, just to add color to my chicken. Yes, that's why I'm using paprika. You can also use paprika for the jollof rice sauce to add color and flavor. This is smoked paprika. Also add taste, add color, add flavor to your food. I have my curry powder that I'll be using for today. Yes. My curry in there. I'll be using 1 bay leaf to boil my meat. Yes, this is my chopped onions. Yes, this is my Maggi cube going in there. And my habanero pepper, like I told you, I'm going to add some to boil my meat. And this is my garlic and ginger for today. Also have my salt to taste. Yeah, not too much. I don't like too much salt in my food. Yes, for health reason. Yeah. I'm just going to mix them up so everything can mix in, can mix together without adding any water to it. You can add water after they might have got, the ingredient might have entered into the meat very well. I'll cover and allow to steam for a while. Yes guys, I added water off the camera because I don't want my chicken to be too hard, and I'll be needing the stock for my jollof rice. This is my pepper and my tomato. In the pot my sunflower oil. Then I'm so generous with the oil because I want my tomatoes to fry very well. In case you have excess oil after frying your tomatoes, you can always scoop out and set aside. You can keep in your freezer for another day. You can use it to make your stew, to make a quick stew for your yam, for eggs, for any other thing you want to fry. You can always use the excess oil that you scoop out of the tomato that you fry for your jollof rice. This is my bay leaf that I'm adding, and I'm adding my thyme. Why? Because I need the flavor, and this is my curry. I need the flavor. I need the flavor in my oil, in my sunflower oil. I need it to fry. That's why I'm frying it first. Then I'll add my onions. After a little while, I'm going to add my onions. This is my onions. This is my onions, my chopped onions that I'm adding. I need all the flavor that I can get inside my oil before adding my tomato. Yes, this is what I want. I can perceive the aroma. Yeah. This is it. This is what I want. I can perceive the aroma of the thyme, the curry, the bay leaf. They are sinking now. I'll fry for a while. Then I will add my tin tomatoes. It's frying. As you can see, it's frying. My onions is frying. And my bay leaf, my thyme, my curry, they are all frying. And nutmeg, this is my nutmeg, just a little bit. I also need the flavor. a little bit of my nutmeg. This is my nutmeg. I'll add a little bit because of the flavor. Then I will stir for a while. It has infused in my sunflower oil. So I'm going to add my tin tomato, which I'm going to be frying for a while. I will fry until they are separate from each other, until they are a little bit scanty. Yes, guys, my tomato puree is fried. It's fried. You can see it. It's fried. It's really fried. Look at it. It has separated from each other. Look at it. And I'm ready to add my parboiled tomatoes. I'll be adding my parboiled tomato. This is my parboiled tomatoes, which I'm adding right now. Be careful when you are adding it. I'm going to fry all of them together, and my stew for the jollof rice is getting ready. But it's going to take a bit long, as I want to fry the sour taste out of the tomato sauce. Yes, guys, our tomatoes is well fried, just the way I want it. No more sour taste. Yes, so I'm going to wash my rice and I will add my rice to it. Then I will taste for seasoning. Yes, guys, our stew is ready. Our jollof rice stew is ready. So we are going to combine the stock now. I'm going to add my chicken stock to it. Yes, guys, I allowed my jollof rice stew to boil a little bit because of the cold chicken stock that I added to it. So I'll be adding my rice, the jollof rice stew, and let's see if it will be needing a little bit of water. I will not add any water because this is how I want the level of my stew and the water to be, and rice. Yes, this is the level that I want it. You don't want it to overflow, you just need it a little bit higher than the rice. So this is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to cover now. I will cover with foil paper and allow to cook and steam. It's the steam that we really need. We don't want our rice to be soggy. So I will be covering it with my foil paper to allow steaming. Yes, guys, this is our final product. After cooking for about 40 minutes with steaming, with a lot of steaming with the foil paper. Yeah, your time will depend on the quantity of rice you are cooking. Mine I left to be cooked and steamed for about 40 minutes. It's about 5 cups of rice. You can see, for it to be enough for me and my family to enjoy our Sunday dinner. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Please subscribe on the notification bell. Bye.